Hi there, Ashley from Nomisma here, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can produce P60s within the Nomisma platform. Now, we've made it very easy. Essentially, they populate themselves once you finish running the payroll for the entire year. So on my screen you can see I'm on the payroll dashboard right now, and my period end is the 31st of March 2021, and I haven't ran the final payroll for the year yet. So if I go to reports and then select P60, P45, and P11D, you can see there's nothing here, and it's giving me an error message. So by going back to the payroll dashboard and clicking Run Payroll in the top right-hand corner, I then get the final payroll for the year. I can click Run Payroll. That just takes a minute to process. So the payroll has been generated successfully. It's now moved on to the next tax year and the next period end. So I can continue running the payroll as normal. However, it has now generated the P60 for the 2020-21 tax year. So you can see Ash Hall, and if I click this PDF, it will then show me the P60 that has been ran for this employee. And you can email this to either the employer or the employees. So if you had 10 employees, 20 employees, 500 employees, you can email them all to the employer, or you can select employees and you can email them all to the employees instead. I hope this helps. If you have any questions in relation to this or anything else on payroll, please do feel free to get in touch on 020-3021-2326 or send us an email to support@nomisma.co.uk. I hope this helps. Take care. Bye.